this video class, I am going to discuss about division of identical objects into groups and a multinomial theorem also. Here, by using the multinomial theorem, that is very easy to solve the problems also. Now, the number of ways in which n identical objects can be distributed among r persons if each person receiving none or one or more units, then x1 plus x2 plus so on plus xr is equals to n. Here, what is the meaning of that one? Here, r blank places are there. So, some blank places should not get 0 groups also. Otherwise, here r groups are there. We are distributing n identical objects into these groups only. Some of the groups may not get anything also, none or one or more. Here, what is that one? Each group should contain at least one. That is the difference between these two. Here, the total number of ways of distributing that identical objects n plus r minus 1c r minus 1. Here, the total number of ways n minus 1c r minus 1. Now, here multinomial theorem. If there are L objects in one unit, m objects of second unit, n objects of third unit and so on, then the number of ways of choosing r objects out of these objects. For example, here in this L units are there, here m units are there, so on. How to select n objects? Sir, how to select r objects out of these L, M, N, so on? Total, how many are there? N objects are there. How to select r objects out of these units? That is the coefficient of x power r in that expansion. Now here I will say I will show the difference between the between these two by taking some examples. And before starting the questions, these are also very important. 1 minus x whole power minus 1, that one we can write 1 plus 1c1x plus 2c2x square plus 3c3 x cube plus so on, infinite series. So all these are 1 minus x whole power minus 2, 1 plus, everywhere we can get the plus terms only. Here whatever is there we can start from there only, 1c1. After that we can increase 1 by 1. Here also, here 2 is there, we can write from 2c1x plus 3c2x square plus 4c3x cube plus so on, infinite. For example, 1 minus x whole power minus 3 is there. 1 plus, we can start with 3c1x plus 4c2, 1 by 1 we have to increase, plus 5c3x cube plus so on. 1 minus x whole power minus 4 is there. 1 plus 4c1x plus 5c2x square plus 6c3x cube plus so on. Like that we can write all the expansions. Whole power whatever is there, 1 plus that is common only, whole power whatever is there we can start from there only. Now, first one, the number of ways in which 10 identical apples can be distributed among 6 children so that each child gets at least one. At least one means I have written 3 types, so this is the second type. Now, first two, among the first two, this is the second we can use. At least one, blank groups are not allowed. So, total number of ways, that is equal to n minus 1c r minus 1. Total how many we are distributing? 10 identical objects, n is equal to 10. And among 6 children, r is equal to 10. See here we can write x1 plus x2 plus so on plus x6. 6 children are there. We are distributing 10 identical objects. Here at least one, everyone. Here these are the units type only. These are the children. How many children are there? 6 children are there. We are distributing 10 identical objects, 10 identical apples into 6 children. Each one gets at least one. Then what is the formula? N minus 1 C R minus 1. N minus 1, 10 minus 1, that is 9 C, R minus 1, 6 minus 1, that is 5. Here NCR is equal to NCR minus 1. Here R is equal to 6. NC, N minus 1 C, R minus 1. See, this type of problems without any restriction, by using this formula, very comfort only. And next, by using the multinomial theorem, how can we say? Here, at least one apple should get, each one. See here, x1 may get 0 apples, or at least one is there. At least one means each child should get at least one. Here we have to use one variable. X I am using. X power 1, least one x power 1 only. X power 2 plus 1 plus x power highest maximum we can get 10 apples. And for a second child also, he gets the same number only. X power 1, at least 1, everyone has to get at least 1. So x power 1 or x power 2 or 3 apples or 4 apples, like that. Maximum 10. So on, for every child, the same thing repeats only. So instead of writing all this, we can write, here we can write x power 1 plus x power 2 plus x power 3 plus 1 plus x power 10. The same thing repeats for x1, x2, for every child, the same thing repeats. Instead of writing all, product of all, we can write whole power 6. In this, the sum should be equals to total number of apples in any, whatever be the distribution. But if I count all the apples in every child, whatever they are getting, if I count all the apples, total number of apples should be equals to 10 apples only. So here we want x power 10 coefficient. X power coefficient in this expansion we want. These are in GP only. These are in GP. What about the sum to n terms in GP? A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. A into x into 1 minus r power n, total number of terms 10 are there, by 1 minus r whole power 6 is there. Here I want x power 10 coefficient. X power 10 coefficient in, here by expanding this one, by writing separately, x power 6 into 1 minus x power 10 whole power 6. If I write in the numerator this one, 1 minus x whole power minus 6 is there. Now here you can see x power 10 coefficient in total I want. Here x power 6 is there. So if I subtract that one, here I want x power 4 coefficient only. Already x power 6 is there. If I remove that one, we want x power 4 coefficient in that x power 4 coefficient in 1 minus x power 10 whole power 6 into, now here this one you can expand. How to expand this one? 1 plus, we can start with the 6. 6c1x plus 6c2x square plus 6c3x cube plus 6c4 x power 4 plus so on, infinite series that one. Now, for example, if I expand this one, what is the expansion of x plus y whole power n? nc naught x plus nc1 x power, sorry, nc1x plus n into y plus so on. The power of x decreasing 1 by 1, sorry, here x power n, here x power n minus 1. The total sum should be equal to n only. The power of n 1 by 1 decreasing and the power of y increases only. Now if I expand this one, 1 minus 6c naught x power 10. 6c, sorry, if I expand this one, a minus b whole power n, 6c naught 1 power anything 1 only, minus 6c1 x power 10 plus so on, like that we can get. Now here we want only x power 4 coefficient. Here from here onwards x power 10 is there, so we can neglect all those terms. Why? Because we want only x power 4 coefficient. So what is the value of this one? 6 is not 1 only. 1 into the constant term. The total here we have to consider only 1. Why? Because we want only x power 4 coefficient. Here from the second term onwards, all the terms containing the coefficient of x more than 10 only, more than or equal to 10. So we can neglect all those terms. We can consider only 1. 1 should be multiplied by x power 4 coefficient. We want x power 4 coefficient, so the constant of 1 should be multiplied by this one, then only we can get a x power 4 coefficient. That is equal to 6c4. That is equal to 6c4. Sorry, here expansion I did wrong. 6c1, we have to increase 1 by 1. 7c2, 8c3, 9c4. Next 10c5. So constant should be multiplied by x power 4, 9c4. And 9c4 NCR is equal to NCN minus R also. So here we can write 9c, 9 minus 4, 5. Now both the answers are same only. See, better to choose this one only. Here any restriction, this is very comfort, but in restrictions this is difficult also. Next one more example I will say. I will show the difference between these two also. Next one more. Here you can see the difference between which is the convenient. In how many ways 25 identical books can be distributed among R, S, G? 3 persons are there, such that R gets at least 1, S gets at least 2, and G gets at least at most 10 books. Here restrictions are there. Without a restriction, whatever I said, first two, those are the very easiest. But here, if any conditions are given, better to choose second one, multinomial theorem. Now, first I will say by using the first one also, how to divide 25 identical books among R, S, G. Here x plus y plus z, the 3 persons I am taking x plus y plus z. We are distributing the 25 identical books. Overall we should get the total number should be equal to 25 only. And otherwise you can take R, S, G only. R, S, G. We are distributing to these 3 persons and R gets at least 1. So this one we can get at least 1. R1 plus 1 y I am taking, and S gets at least 2. So S1 plus 2 I am taking, plus G. Here G not given any condition, least value. So here this one may get 0 also, but maximum number of books you should get 10 books. Total should be equal to 25. Here R1 plus S1 plus G, that is equal to 22. Here the number of ways distributing here, G may get 0 or more than 10 books also. Here each one gets at least here blank groups also included now. Here 1 I subtracted, here 2 I subtracted, at least 1 is given, so I subtracted 1, at least 2 is given, I subtracted 2 here. So now each one gets none or 1 or more books also. But limitation is not there. Each one gets how many number of books, maximum number of books, that limit is not there. One should get all the 25 books also. Here these two gets 0 and 0 also, and G gets 24 books also. Here 1 and 0 also we can get that one. But here one more condition is given. G gets at most 10. At most 10 means what I am taking here, the total number of ways, total number of ways Here blank groups are allowed. N plus R. N plus R. R means we are distributing to 3 persons. Minus 1. CR minus 1. Minus. Here we have to remove that one thing. What is that one? Here I am taking one more. Minus R1 plus S1 plus. Here what I am doing here? R1 plus S1. Otherwise R1 plus S1. G at most 10. Here more than 10 also included here. G1 plus 11. If I subtract, the total should be equal to, here I remove that one, 22. Here I remove that one. Now, here at least 0, here also at least 0, here G gets at least 0 only. Here at most 10 is there. Here I am taking at least 10, sorry, at least 11 I am subtracting. G gets at least, here at most 10 condition is given, at most 10 is given. So you should not get 11 or more than 11 books. So in this condition all are there. He may get all the 22 books also. But here what I am subtracting, if G gets 11 or more than 11 books, I am subtracting that one. Here R1 means 0. Blank groups also included here. Here G1 plus 11 I am taking. So the number of ways G gets more than 11, more than or equals to 11, I am subtracting that one. 11 we can get. So here now we can get, everyone should get at least either 0 or more than 0 only. So here we can write N plus R minus 1 CR minus 1. Now I will show the difference. So better to choose multinomial theorem. Here we can write 25, 24 C2 minus 13 C2. 24 C2 minus 13 C2. The same problem I am going to use. Here 24 C2 we can get 276 minus this is 78, that is equal to 198. The same problem by using the multinomial theorem how to solve. So here conditions, if any restrictions are given, this is a little bit complicated in this method. Now by using multinomial theorem how to solve very easily. See here R plus S plus G. R plus S plus G, that is equal to 25. We are distributing 25 books to the 3 persons. See here R should get at least one book. At least one book means x power 1. Or 1 or more than one books he should get, plus 1 plus maximum number of books he may get 25 into S gets at least 2. So starts with 2 only. Should not get either 0 or 1. Starts with 2. X power 3 plus 1 plus maximum number of books he may get 25. And G gets at least, that is not mentioned. At most is mentioned. At least not mentioned. So he may get 0 books also. Or 1 or 2 up to maximum number of books he should get 10. But we are distributing in this way, but the total number of books should be equal to 25. So here we can take x power 25 coefficient in that expansion. The total sum should be equal to 25 only. Now these are in GP. In GP sum to n terms of a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Here also a into 1 minus r power n. Total number of terms how many are there? Here 24 are there. By 1 minus r x only. Common ratio T2 by T1. A into x power 0 1 only. A into 1 minus r power n. Total number of terms 11 are there by 1 minus r. If you write this one, very simple. Now here we don't want, we want only, sorry, x power 25 coefficient. Okay, we can keep that one also. Here x square, x cube is there, so I can write x power 22 coefficient only. In this, 1 minus x power 25 into 1 minus x power 24 into 1 minus x power 11 into 1 minus x whole power minus 3. Now, if I multiply these two, 1 minus x power 24 minus x power 25, so no need to multiply these two, we are getting more than 25. We can eliminate that, neglect the terms only. Into 1 minus x power 11 is there, into this one we can expand 1 plus 3c1x plus 4c2x square plus 5c3x cube plus 1. That is equal to, if I multiply these two also, 1 minus x power 11 minus x power 24, this one no need to multiply with that one, we can neglect that one, minus 20 x power 25, x power 25, 1 minus x power 11 minus x power 24 minus x power 25. So here we want x power 22 coefficient. 22 coefficient means more than 22 we can eliminate, we can neglect the terms which are containing more than 22. So here I can write 1 minus x power 11 into 1 plus 3c1x plus 4c2x square plus 5c3x cube plus 1 in finite terms. So to get total number of ways, that is equal to total number of ways, that is equal to 1 should be multiplied by x power 22. See everywhere, here C3, here these two are same only everywhere. Here in that expansion I want x power 22. So how to get the x power 22 here? C22 x power 22. X power 22 coefficient we can get everywhere, in the every expression these two should be same only. Now what is the difference between these two? Everywhere the 2 is there, so here we should write 24. So constant term 1 should be multiplied by 24 C22. Next 11 should be multiplied by x power 11 only. X power 11, how to get that one? C11 x power 11, this one should be 13. Minus into plus minus 13c11. By simplifying that one we can get. So 24c22 minus 13c11. We can get the, here one previous I said that one, the same 176 minus 98, like that we can get the answer. So by choosing this one, here whatever the restrictions are there, if you write this one properly, that is a simple only. X power, here at least 1, x power 1, at least 2, we can start with x power 2, maximum 25 only. Here G, at most is given, at least not given, so he may get 0, books also 0 to at most 10. Now this is a very easiest way if any restrictions are given. Here the number of ways in which from here onwards I am using the multinomial theorem only, that is better only. If any restrictions are there, this is convenient. An examiner can assign 30 marks to 8 questions. Here a total number of questions, how many are there? 8 are there, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on plus x8. But in every question he has to give at least 2 marks. Total number of marks should be equal to 30. 30 questions, 30 marks we are distributing to 8 questions. See here, First question, at least every question, for every question he has to give at least 2 marks. Least marks 2, so on. Highest we can take a 30 only. Maximum he may get 30 marks. Here second one also same, third one also same. So the same thing repeats how many times? 8 times. So to overall we can we want x power 30 coefficient, total number of marks. We are distributing 30 marks to 88 questions. Each question has to get at least 2 marks. For each question he has to assign 2 marks, and total number of marks should not cross 30 only, should be 30. So here we want x power 30 coefficient in this expansion. This is in GP only. Total how many terms are there? 29 terms are there. These are in GP. A into 1 minus x power n by 1 minus r whole power 8. That is equals to, here we want x power 30 coefficient in x power 16 into 1 minus x power 29 into 1 minus x whole power 8 minus 8. So here we want x power 30 coefficient in this. X power 16 is there. So here we want x power 14 coefficient in the remaining terms only. 1 minus x power 29 into 1 minus. Now here we can expand this one. 1 plus, we can start with 8c1x plus 9c2x square plus 10c3x cube plus 1 infinite series. So here x power 29, that is crossing the 14 only. So here we can neglect this term. So that constant 1 should be multiplied by x power 14 coefficient. How to get the x power 14 coefficient? Somewhere it is there, x power 14. Everywhere that these two should be same only. And see the difference between these two. 7 is there. So here we can get a 21. So x power 14 coefficient here, 1 should be multiplied by 21c14. This is the number of ways we can distribute 30 marks to 8 questions. Next, find the number of combinations of 4 letters taken from the word examination. In that examination, 2 A's are there, 2 I's are there, 2 N's are there. All these are the different letters only. So here 4 letter words we can take. See here, these two are identical. So we can take, we can't take that one. Either 0 also, if I won't take that one, A letter, 0 or if I take only 1 letter or 2 letters we can take. Maximum 2 letters we can take A. And I's also may not be, we may take 1 or we may take 2 also. Here N's also 2 are there. So here also we can write the same thing. That one, the same thing repeats 3 times, whole power 3. And E may be, may not be. And X also may be, may not be. Here the same thing repeats how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overall what we want? X power 4 coefficient. We want a 4 letter word only. Now this is in GP. A into x power 0, that is 1 only. 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r whole power 3 into 1 plus x whole power 5. Now this one we can write 1 minus x cube whole power 3 into 1 plus x whole power 5 into 1 minus x whole power minus 3. So here we can expand it. Overall we want x power 4 coefficient only. Here a minus b whole cube, we can expand that one. A cube minus 3a square b, 3a square b plus 3ab square, 3ab square plus b minus b cube, x cube whole square b cube, that is 9 we can get. Afterwards we can neglect some terms also. Here also if I expand this one, 1 plus 5, directly I am writing NC0, NC, 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, whatever the Binomial coefficients here 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. X plus 10 x square plus 10 x cube plus 5 x power 4 plus x power 5 into 1 minus x whole power minus 3 is there. Keep aside that one. Now here we can neglect these two terms. We want x power 4 quotient. Here more than 4 is there. Here 1 minus 3 x cube into 1 plus 5x plus 10x square plus 10x cube plus 5x power 4. This one also I can neglect. Now here you can write 1 plus 3c1x plus 4c2x square plus 5c3 x cube plus 6c4 x power 4 plus so on. Now here 1 should be multiplied by multiplying these two. 1 should be multiplied by 5x power 4. Otherwise here you can multiply these two. 1 plus 5x plus 10x square plus 10x cube plus 5x power 4. Next this one multiply with minus 3x cube minus 15x power 4. Next all those we can get more than 4. Keep aside that one. We can neglect the terms which are containing the x power more than x power 4 terms we can neglect. Here 1 plus 3c1x plus 4c2x square plus 5c3 x cube plus 6c4 x power 4 plus so on. Now here x cube two terms are there. 1 plus 5x, next x square terms 2 only 1 is there plus 10x square. Here we can get plus 7x cube minus 10x power 4 into 1 plus 3c1x plus 4c2x square plus 5c3x cube plus 6c4x power 4 plus so on. Now constant term should be multiplied by x power 4 6c4. X term should be multiplied by x cube plus here right 64. X term should be multiplied by x cube. X cube here it is there. Here what is the value of 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 5c3 value 10. 10 into 5, 50. X square should be multiplied by x square. 4c2 value 6. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 0, 1, 2, 6. 6 10 are 60. Again x cube should be multiplied by this one 21. And this one should be multiplied by constant minus 10. Here a 64 value 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 50. 64 I can write 15. Now by adding all these and subtract 10 we can get 136. The number of ways selecting 4 letters from the word examination, that is 136. See, by solving 3-4 problems we can get we can make it fastly also, but this is the way very easy. Next one more. How many integers between 1 and 10 lakhs have the sum of the digits equals to 18? See here, between how many integers? Between 1 and 10 lakhs have the sum of the digits is equals to 18. See here, we may get one digit number or two digit number between that one. Here 2, 4, 7. So 6 digit up to 1, 2, 3, so on up to 6 digit numbers we can get. And sum of the digits, for example here, single digit number, 2 digit, 3 digit, so on 6 digit number. The sum of the digits should be equal to 18. The sum of the digits should be equal to 18. So here we want x power 18 coefficient in. Here what are the digits we can use here? 0 to 9 we can use. So here this one can take, everywhere we can get x power 0 plus x power 1 plus so on, maximum x power 9. For x2 also same, x3 also same. The same thing repeats how many times? 6 times. The total sum of the digits should be equal to 18. See, this is in a GP only. In GP, what is the formula? A into 1 into 1 minus r power n. Total number of terms 10 are there, by 1 minus r whole power 6 is there. Here we want x power 18 coefficient in that expansion. X power 18 coefficient we want. That is equal to 1 minus x power 10 whole power 6 into 1 minus x whole power minus 6. So here we can expand this one. 6e naught minus 6e1 x power 10 plus 6e2 x power 2 x power 10 whole square. That from there onwards we can get more than 18. X power more than 18, we can neglect the terms only. Here if I expand this one, 1 plus 6e1x plus 7c2x square plus 8c3x cube plus so on. So this is the constant term 1. 1 should be multiplied by x power 18 coefficient. Here I want x power 18 coefficient. C18 x power 18. Here what is the difference? 5 only. So 23. 23 minus 18, 5. So x power 18 coefficient, number of ways, that is equal to 23C18. And here x power 10 should be multiplied by x power 8. C8 x power 8. So this is 13 only. 13C8. Minus into plus minus. Here this is 6 into 13C8. By using this method, we can do any problem, whatever be the restrictions, we can complete the solution very easily. In an examination, the maximum marks for each of the 3 papers are 50 each. Maximum marks for 4th paper are 100. Find the number of ways in which the candidate can score 60% in the average. See here, average of the marks. Total marks, so how much is that one? Total marks. For these 3 papers, 50 marks only, 3 into 50, and 4th paper for 100. So 250 marks. Total marks are 250 only. Now, total marks are 250. 60% of the average. He has to get a 60%. 60% of the average. 60 by 100 into 250. Here 0, 0, here 0, 0 we can cancel. That is equal to 150. 6 into 25. So he has to get a total at least 20, average he has to get the number of ways in which the candidate can score 60%. 60% in the average. So here we can get total how many are there? 4 papers are there. In one paper, for example, if I take one paper, least one 0, x1, x2, so on, maximum marks he can get, he can score 50. Total how many papers are there? 3 papers are there. For every paper, the same thing only. The next second paper, x power 0 plus x power 1 plus 1 plus x power 100. Overall, we want average marks we should get 150 only. We should get total, we are distributing the marks only. Total number of marks we should get 150. So here we want a quotient of x power 150 in that one. Quotient of x power 150. See here, maximum number of marks 50 only. So he may get 0 or 1 or in each paper. Here each of the 3 papers. In each paper he may get either 0 to 50. Second paper also 0 to 50. Third paper also 0 to 50. Here 100 marks paper, that one he may get 0 to 100 anything. But the total marks should be equal to 150. Then only he can score the average 60%. These are in GP. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Total number of terms 51 are there. From here to here 50 plus 1 whole power 3. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. So if I write separately, 1 minus x power 5 whole power 3, 1 minus x power 101 into 1 minus x whole power minus 4 we can get. Here whole power minus 3, that is a whole power x. Now here, if I expand this one, a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube into 1 minus x power 101 into 1 minus x whole power minus 4. 1 minus x whole power minus 4. By multiplying these two, 1 minus x power 101 minus 3x power 5 plus 3 into x power 106 plus 3 into x power 10 minus 3 into x power 111 minus x power 15 plus x power 116 into, here we can expand 1 plus 4c1x plus 5c2x square plus so on. Here I carried wrongly. This one 1 minus x power 51 whole power 3, 1 minus x power 101, 1 minus x whole power minus 3 into 1 minus x whole power minus 1, that is 1 minus x whole power minus 4. Now a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. B cube means that is more than 150. So keep aside, neglect the term. 1 minus x power 101 into 1 plus 4c1x plus 5c2x square plus 6c3x cube plus so on. Now here, multiplying these two terms, 1 minus x power 101 minus 3 into x power 51. By multiplying these two, we can get more than 150. Neglect that one. Here also plus 3 into x power 102. If I multiply these two, we can neglect the term also. Next, 1 plus 4c1x plus 5c2x square plus so on. Now constant term should be multiplied by x power 150. X power 150, how to get that one? See 150, x power 150. See the difference, 3 is there. So here I can write 153. 153 C 150 minus into plus minus only we can get it. This one should be multiplied by 49. So C 49 difference क्या है इधर? What is the difference here? 3. 52 minus 3 into x power 51 should be multiplied by 140 101 101 sorry 99 99 means C99. If I added 102 plus 3 into 102 should be multiplied by 48 x power 48 x power 48 means C 48 48 by adding a 3 51. So this is the answer. By simplifying that one we can get the answer only. 153 C 150 minus 52 C 49 plus 3 into 102 C 99 plus 3 into 51 C 48. See, by writing one thing, remaining all we can imagine, we can write down in that same way. Thank you.